In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Epson L1110 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. In a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Okay, so once the search bar is being available, please type for Epson space L1110 driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, please proceed to the first result. Click on it. Just select any of the result. Anyway, they have similar options. As long as you can see this Epson L1110 printer driver, then you're good. So from here, scroll down on the list and go with this downloads. Tap on it so that you can refresh the page and wait until you can download the printer driver, which is the Epson L1110 driver. Okay, so it will ask you to, select your operating system. Click on this down arrow key and select the Windows 11. Click on Go. Just select the Windows operating system here, whether you have Windows 10, 7, or 8, or any of that. Okay, so just here, scroll down and click on this downloads again to refresh the page and wait until you can see the driver. So it will be showing you the list of drivers. Please select on this drivers and select the printer driver. Click on this download option, aligning to it, and click on accept to the license agreement and click on the skip so that you can now start on the downloading process. So please wait until this file would be downloaded before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the folder icon, which is this one. Click on it so that you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So we need to move that to the desktop. That's why you need to make a right click, okay? And from here, click on the cut icon, click on it, close the window, as well as this one. And here at the desktop, make a right click and go with the spaced icon. Once you have moved it to the desktop, you can double tap to extract the file, double tap it, and in that way you will be able to extract it. Or you can simply click on open to continue. User account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue to the extraction or to the installation. So wait until this would be extracted or unzipped before we proceed to the installation of this printer driver. Once done, please click on the, if you would like it to set as your default printer, you can check the one. In my case, I don't have such, that's why I'm checking it, I'm unchecking it rather. Click on OK and go with I agree to the license agreement, click on OK. And now the printer driver will be installed. Please wait for some time until this would be finished. Okay, so click on manual. And here you need to select any of these available ports. Okay, just select any of this USB port. So it has three USB ports. Select any of that. Click on OK. Now we just have to wait until this would be successfully installed here in our Windows. So this might take some time, but please be patient since we're almost there. Okay, so now the printer has been installed successfully. So click on OK and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.